Hello everyone, I'm sharing here a review of a QA test automation project that I did. The duration was of 6 months, and I'm gonna comment here what did I do, my thought pattern in choosing the tech stack, cloud, and a bit of showing you the project. So starting on, the project was a B2B education tech platform and was a startup. The duration was about 6 months for this project, and the goals for the company was to create an infrastructure of test automation and for me to build it, maintain it, and automate all their testing. Also, they needed support in reviewing the PRs of the developers using quality engineering principles. So let's see, for this B2B education and edtech platform, I analyzed the risk areas first. So due to the nature of the project, the issue was that it was integrated with many different portals. So to actually decide how to approach the locator strategy, we needed to know first what common IDs was used in the different portals. So I did this to improve the reusability of the login locators, and also the other main problem was the integration of the CDN script that needed to be integrated in the domain object model. And I did this via script injection with JavaScript, and this solved the issue because the product was integratable in different portals, and this solved our issue. We did this before every run, and it was scripted, so it was also integrated in the DevOps. So that solved the main issue about using the product during a test automation session. So I first focused on the main functionalities, analyzing it from critical risk areas, and that helped us a lot by covering, let's say, the 80% most important features first, and then focusing on the 20%. The stack used, I used Selenium, Maven for the build automation, and Java for the programming language. Why? Because it was common understanding and the team was also familiar with it. I used Gherkin and the page object model for setting up the infrastructure for the test automation, and we used Cucumber so that we had in Gherkin format all the requirements and the test written in the given, when, then format, and then it was all connected by the step definition and the page class where the implementation actually was done. For the cloud, I decided to use GitHub Actions. It was quick to set up. You also have about 2,000 minutes for free, so it was really great for this project since we didn't have enough budget maybe for the cloud, and also it is highly integratable with Maven and Java Selenium code. So I thought that was also a great point. I set up the YAML file in order to run at 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. so that during the day we could have a clear picture before the day starts, and then a clear picture before the day ends, so that we know actually what failed and what went right. And also this was done, of course, to spot any regressions and failures that may have been introduced by the developers during the day. So we chose as the test automation infrastructure end-to-end over functional. The main reason here was that we needed to cover a lot of path or user path, and so this was the best decision for our case. In structured companies, maybe a functional approach on the single user story may be more beneficial, but for this project we used this, and it was the most value for us. So the end result was that I created a daily automated test running through the integration in DevOps using GitHub Actions. Also, we had a structured QA governance for this project where we tracked bugs, and it was directly linked to the requirements. And I supported in the PR review and roadmap changes along the team. So this is really good as a point, because I think that QA needs to be involved into decision about the roadmap and shaping the understanding of what is currently working, what is not, and also is helping the whole team to gain a clear picture of where we are now. So in the end, the system that I built allowed the team for faster feedback for their development, and also allowed the team to release faster and more frequently, which I think are the two most important things. Again, this was a project of 6 months and it was completed successfully. The test suite was about 30 automated end-to-end tests. So this was a great result for us and also for the team. Let me know if you want to have another project review where I go deep into the tech stack or the actual implementation of the project, and we could also see some concepts that I used in order to analyze better each project. So that's it for the video today. Just let me know in the comments and see you on the next one.